Hello everyone, you're now watching Papa live using his new software package that he just bought online to be able to show y'all how to do creative stuff. Anyway, I'm not getting myself all good looking so it's working. But what I'm going to be showing you is how with this software I can do a screen in screen so that I can show Blake and Cole and all you guys how to record a game and keep you on the screen on the side. So here we go. We're going to see what happens live. I'm going to try to enable this software right here. And then I'm going to, what the hell is that doing? Stop. Oh, okay, now I'm going to be recording what's on my computer. And this is what I see and what you'll see in the main screen. So I'm going to go down here to Google Chrome. And I'm going to go over into Google and I'm going to do Yahoo search. And then I'm going to go over here to Mail and see what happens in Mail. And I'm going to go to me and there's a link showing you what it looks like. I'm going to come back, get back out of this, go up here in the corner and close out of Yahoo, and then come down here and shut down the deal here. Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed my little demonstration. I'm back in the other program, and I'm going to try to merge the three together. This is the end of it. Damn, I'm good looking. I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with this hair, but it sure do make me good looking. Talk to y'all later. Love all of you.